Om Sai Ram. In this video we are going to see how to do Varagi Amma Puja. Varagi Amma Puja is so special that it has to be done on Panchami Tithi, which comes on the 5th day. Either let it be a full moon day or new moon day, whatever may be the day, the 5th day is called as Panchami. If you do the day after that Amavasya in Valarpirai, what happens is your life becomes so abundant in everything. You get very positive things in your life, and she give abundance of wealth, house, everything you need. And if you do in Teibirai, which comes after Paurnami or that full moon day, what happens is you get all your bad things get vanished in no time. This is taken care by our Mata Varagi Devi. Okay, in this video I am going to tell you what are all the procedures, how I follow. This is my photo which I used to do my daily routine puja to this Mata. Let us start the puja. You see, the first thing is we have to offer Akshada and we have to make her sit in this photo. And this is similar to the Prana Pradishta type. So I just offered Akshada stating that Om Shri Varagi Devi Namaha Idamasanam. Like that you put some Akshada and tell the Gayatri mantra of Varagi Devi. The Gayatri mantra of Varagi Devi is Om Shri Shamalaye Vitmahe Halhastaya Dhimahi Dhanno Varagi Prachodayat. You tell that Varagi mantra and you make her to sit in this photo and you request this. Then offer 3 teaspoons of water, or we used to say that Panchapatra Udrini, and you offer 3 water stating that Om Shri Varagi Devi Namaha Patyopatyam Samarpyami Hastebhyo Arikyam Samarpyami Achamaniyam Samarpyami. This is similar to the way in which if someone guest who comes to your house, you make us to give us a seat and make them sit, and you offer water for washing hands, legs, and give some water to drink. The same way we do for Mata also. Let her come and sit and reside in your house. You should not think it as a photo or something like that. Once you made her to sit, she is sitting inside the photo. So that what are all the things when you come to her guest you have to do, and all the upacharas we have to do to her. This is how I used to do. Okay. After that, since it is a photo, we cannot do abhishek to other. So what I used to do is take a cloth. That should be a very clean and good cloth, not that waste cloth or something which you used to do. Take a good cloth, add some paneer water or some, if you say, some rose water into that, which is so fragrance. Use that water and clean it very cleanly, the photo. And while cleaning, you just tell Om Shri Varagi Devi Namaha Snanam Samarpyami. Snanam means that abhishek. If you have a statue, you can do the abhishek, but I am having only the photo. We are just cleaning it with the cloth. While doing, you add to the paneer some. The video is little bit faster. Let me go a little bit slow and let me explain you detail. You please catch on this video. Okay. While offering that thing, you add some Javadu, one scented fragrance, which will add more to the thing. Generally, gods and gods, everything we said in the places where more fragrance is there. Then after that, you put Snananandamaram Achamaniyam Samarpayam and offer some water. Then you chant Shri Varagi Devi Namaha Vastadara Akshadam Samarpayami. After cleaning, after taking bath, everybody used to wear clothes. So we cannot put some clothes. So you put Akshada stating that we are giving clothes to goddess. After that, what you have to chant is Shri Varagi Devi Namaha Gandhan Darayami. Shri Varagi Devi Namaha Haridra Kungumam Samarpayami. Offer Chandan and Kungum to this. If you see, this is not the normal Chandan which I normally used to do. It is a mixture of Chandan and cloves and red sandalwood, Chandan, cloves and turmeric, all, and Pache Karpuram they used to tell in Tamil. I don't know exactly what is the name in English. You'd better translate and get it from somewhere. And these are all made it in a powder and used to apply, because wherever that Pache Karpuram is there, green camphor, or made from this camphor, which has a more tendency of abundance of wealth, and it will make everybody cool, and God resides there. So with that I am offering the Kunkumam and Chandan to that. Then after that I told, you have to chant Shri Varahi Devi Namaha Gandhan Darayami Haritra Kunkumam Samarpayami. Then after that offer Akshada to them, Akshadam Samarpayami. Then after that we have to offer garland to the Mata. So offer garland stating that Shri Varagi Devi Namaha Pushpamalam Samarpayami, and offer garland. this is a bangle mala because bangle is Mahalakshmi Samsa. So I for my god I went this bangle mala. In the end of this video I will give you the link how to make the bangle mala. You can go and check it out. How this is that mala which is that Kasi mala, that Kasu mala na, that I bought from Kanji Kamakoti Mutt in Kanjipuram. If you want, you can directly go there and get it from there. I think it's price it's some around some 450 to 500 rupees. Okay, after that you have to offer that Pushpamalam Samarpayami. Then after this put some Akshada to them and offer some water to Varagi Devi. Then you chant Varagi Malai one sloga, which is in Tamil, which clearly details about the and then the positive energy what we get from the sloga is abundance, very very abundance. If you are not able to make up with the language, better you chant Varagi's mantra like 108 Ashtotra or Sahasranama. Based on your time you just chant and you pray to Mata for savings of your family and everything. One thing what have happened in my life I will tell you. I was doing Varaki Mata Puja for around 4 to 5 years, and this is a similar way I used to do. I do not know big mantras or something like that. This is a very simple procedure which I follow, and I offer to God. And you can see the one photo which used to come now. It is during that Naivedya and everything. I offered one turmeric. In this turmeric, this is the photo. If you see the face, the nose, the holes, everything, that head shape, everything came in the same way during my puja. Then I offered chandan kunkumam to that and I kept it in my puja room and still having it is similar to that of a face. So the only thing is what mother expects from us is the pure love and devotion, not the various mantras you chant or nothing like that. You just trust her, believe and in everything. Your entire life will be taken care by her. That is for sure. You need not want to worry of anything. Your life will be with full of enjoyment life, and you will not have any enemies in life, and your wealth will rise like anything. That is for sure. This is what I am facing in my life. I was doing her puja for more than 4 to 5 years. This is what I faced. Even your enemies who are all there now, they will be either will be moved out of you, or they will not face any. They will not create any problems for you. And she will ensure that you stay in an own house, not in a rented house. That is for sure. And after slogging the sloga, you have to just offer a dhubam stating that this is a Sanskrit sloga. If you are, you just show the dhubam and dasangam gungulam dhubam sukantam manoharam agreye sarva devanam dhubam pratikicchatam. This is a slogam. If you are not able to, you just tell Shri Varagi Devi Namaha dhubam akarshayami. Then offer dhubam to her. Then offer some water to her. Shri Varagi Devi Namaha dhubam samarpayami. Then offer, after dhubam, we have to show the light. I have 2 lights. One is with a single lamp, another with a 5 lamp. Based on your capacity, and if you have, you show that. Lajjam Traivitti Samyuktam Anyoidam Maya Krishna Mangala Devam Trailokyam Timiramaham Shri Varagi Devi Namaha Dibya Mangala Devam Darshayami. This is a sloka which I used to chant while offering Deepa to her. Then offer her some water. Then after offering Deepam, we have to offer food or Naivedya, what you should tell. Om Shri Varagi Devi Namaha Naivedyam Nivedayami. Then offer her water, Achamaniyam Samarpayami. We have offered food, and we have to take the food and show it to her in a polite way so that she has the food. We have to imagine that she is having the food. That is a thought we should keep in mind. We should take the food and show to all the faces of the god what are all available in our puja room, and we have to offer. And after that, we have to offer Karpura Tambulam Samarpayami. The food what I today offered is Palkova and milk with sugar. Generally, I used to offer daily milk with sugar. If it is going to be some Panchami, that special on the day I got Palkova, so I offered that to her. And after that, God has had the food. Then what you have to do? You have to offer that Tambulam, no? Betrelai pak and banana, and if you find manchal kunkumam, all these things you offer and show it to her as if she is having everything. The thing is the thought, and we have to align with the thought of the God and ourselves. We have to trust that she is sitting there, and we have to offer the thing. That is the thing. The utmost respect and devotion is expected by the god from us. Then after that, offer some her water and akshada. Then karpura we have to show camphor na, that while offering the camphor we have to show samasta aparachanamartam karpura niranjanam samarpayami and offer the camphor. Then after offering the camphor we have to offer some karpura niranjanam achamniyam samarpayami, we have to offer some water. This is going on a very fast pace. Let me tell it on a very slow, because you correlate between the video and the speech what I gives later. Then you have to offer Varagi Deviye Namaga Pushpam Samarpyami. Either you offer flower or you offer some akshada to the goddess. Then you have to chant Yani Kanicha Papani Janmandra Krdanicha Tani Tani Visatsanchi Pradakshana Pade Pade. Round 3 rounds yourself. Put the akshada to the goddess. Pray whatever thing you want and do one Shashtanga Namaskara to her 5 times. And pray whatever thing you want. Then you offer some akshada. This is very critical part of the puja. Samasta Rajobajaran Sameta Akshatam Samarpayami. The thing is, I want to do you puja like a king, but I don't have that much of wealth and other things to do like a king to you. But you are very much almost God. I have to think you as a king. So I am offering this akshada as a king who made a puja like that. I am offering this to you like this. You should trust like that. You have to think like that. You have to offer. She will take it as that a king has done every puja, that what are all the things he can do, and he will grant you all the wishes to you. This is truth. After that you have to tell, take a handful of water. Kayena vacha, manasendriyarva, buddhyarpanava, prakadesabhava, karomi yachat, sagalam parasmai, narayanayeti, samarpayami. Like that, offer some water in your hand to that thing. Whatever wrong things I have made by heart, by thought, or whatever may be the way, please forgive me. This is the translation of that sloka. After that, what we have to do is all the things God has based on Rakha. She came here, sat on in the photo, and she has taken all the offerings what he have given. Now the time to give thank you. So after that, what we have to do? We have to take Mangala Harati to Amma and showing that we do not want to tell much big slokas and all. Just tell Om Varagi Shti Varagi Jai Varagi Om Varagi Shti Varagi Jai Varagi Om. After that, you just take the Varati and keep it near the goddess. That's it. This is a very simple puja of Varagi Mata. If you even doesn't know any much of the slokas, what I was telling in between this sloka, better tell each and everything Shri Varagi Devi Namaga and offer all the things what I have told. Right from the beginning, the seed offering seed to Goddess Mata till Arati. Do all the things telling that Shri Varagi Devi Namaga. In between, what are all the things I have told? No? Offer akshada and water. That is enough. She takes everything with full heart and grant everything to you. Those who are not seen my Tamil thing, I have given the link in the end of this video. If you want, it is our Tamil translation is also there in this thing. You see, those who are all new to this channel, better subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.